While I was standing there, listening to the documentary, it dawned on me a couple things. One, I'm the founder of an organization called Mission FoodPossible. And while Mission FoodPossible has enjoyed some global notoriety, right? We started in a church. Not a lot of people know that, and I didn't even remember that. Our very first project was in a church in Jamaica. And so we've come full circle now, almost a decade later, back to New York City, where this dream began in the first place. So although the first project was executed in Jamaica, in a church, the idea happened in New York. You see, I left Jamaica when I was 17 years old and came to New York. And here I experienced hardships, homelessness, hunger. And that's where the seed was planted that I had to do something once I became a chef. What was it that I was going to bring to the world of culinary that was going to give back something to the community? That idea was formed here. So again, we'll come full circle. So the documentary that you guys just watched, it's been a long time coming. Mikey and I met about 8 years ago. He's a brilliant filmmaker, and I've been doing this work for almost a decade, right? And so I didn't hesitate when Mikey said to me, look, I think we need to show this work. By the time we did the documentary, Mission FoodPossible has been featured in Forbes magazine. We've been featured on almost every single continent except Antarctica. And we're proud, we're really proud of the work. But me and my team, we're not people who readily run to the spotlight. So to have a piece of media available to show to people that we can talk to is really helpful. Food deserts mostly affect people who look like us in this room. A lot of us don't know. What are food deserts? Healthy food is not readily available. It is just not making it into our communities. And that's a big problem. And that's not a problem. We might live in our communities and think our communities are the only ones that have that problem. I can tell you, almost 70 countries visited. Everywhere I go in this world, you find the same issues with food affecting the same communities with the same people that live in those communities. They all look like me and you.